Groww is an Indian online financial services platform, owned by Billion Brains Garage Ventures Private Limited, BGV. It was founded in 2016, and currently associated companies with Groww are Next Billion Technology Private Limited, Neo Billion Fintech Private Limited, Finvantage Investment Advisor Private Limited, and Groww CreditServe Technology Private Limited. The services of Groww include stock market, securities, bonds investments and intraday tradings, mutual funds, credit, personal loans, insurance, and asset management including online payment systems like Groww Pay, IPOs, and SIPs. Having problems with Groww? You can easily complain and get help. Groww has dedicated help and support to resolve the technical and financial issues related to the Groww platform, including your trading and demat accounts. Want to complain with Groww? First, you can call customer care support, send an email, or register an online complaint through chat support. Not resolved? Don't worry, you can escalate the matter to the head of customer care at Groww. Issues that can be resolved. Account related. Problems related to the paperless and online process for opening demat and trading accounts, account charges including brokerage, DP charges, and other transactional fees, and account verification and updation. Investment. Complaints about buying, selling, and trading stocks, US stocks, ETFs, IPOs, and F&Os, futures and options trading, including other financial services such as investing in mutual funds, SIPs, and initial public offerings, IPOs, of Indian companies. Financial services. Issues related to applying for and receiving loans quickly through Groww, Groww Pay, bills payment, insurance plans, and asset management. Other financial products. Complaints regarding applying for personal loans at competitive interest rates, digital gold investments, and concerns about purchasing various insurance products, including term insurance, health insurance, and motor insurance. General services. Complaints or issues regarding the customer support service offered by Groww. Available 24/7 via chat or email, or concerns about the transparency of pricing, fees, and commissions on the Groww platform. Product range. Issues related to other financial products and services offered by Groww. Still, not resolved to your satisfaction. In this case, you can escalate the complaint to the compliance officer and further to the designated director for Groww at Billion Brains Garage Ventures Private Limited. How to file a complaint of Groww? According to the grievance redressal policy of Groww, the complaint resolution mechanism is divided into 3 levels. Initially, you may contact the customer service team. If not resolved, escalate the matter to the next authority. Grievance redressal mechanism. Registration fee. No charges, 0 Indian rupees. Resolution period. Up to 30 days. Read the regulatory and grievance policies of the Groww. Refund period. Within 7 to 15 business days. Read the refund and compensation policy to know more. Levels of complaint escalation. Level 1, Customer Care, Groww. Toll-free helpline number. WhatsApp or email. Online complaint registration. Level 2, escalate the complaint to Head of Customer Service, Groww. Grievance Redressal Officer, for credit or loans. Level 3, escalate the disputed matter to Compliance Officer and Designated Director for Groww, Billion Brains Garage Ventures Private Limited. Principal Nodal Officer for Loans and Credit, Groww CreditServe Technology Private Limited. Grievance resolution mechanism defined by SEBI for stockbrokers. Still, not resolved. You can escalate the matter by lodging a grievance to the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, and respective securities exchanges such as CDSL, NSDL, NSE or BSE, or respective regulatory authorities. Please note, for disputes related to loans and financial services, you may file a complaint with the Banking Ombudsman, Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Level 1, Customer Care, Groww. Initially, you can contact Groww's customer support executives to raise your concerns. You can dial the toll-free customer care number, send an email, or file your complaint online to resolve the issues related to Groww services such as new account openings, general customer support, call and trade services, financial services, loans, and emergencies like account blockage. Please note, for call and trade services, the helpline number operates Monday to Friday, from 9 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. When reaching out, make sure to provide the following details. Customer ID or client ID, for existing clients. Order ID, for stock and mutual fund orders. Nature of the complaint. Brief description of the issue with copies of supporting documents, screenshots, or video links if any. Contact details of Groww customer service. Groww complaint number, +919108800604. Email, support@groww.in. Groww credit, loan, support. Call at +919731448964, or email at creditsupport@groww.in, or creditescalations@groww.in. Complain online to Groww. File a complaint. Report cyber attack. Call the helpline number +918068249147, or email at cyberhelpline@groww.in. Tip: beware of scams. Don't share bank or personal details. Use only the official Groww app for help. Stay safe. Please note, if you have complaints about the violation of consumer rights by Groww, you should approach the National Consumer Helpline, NCH, of the Department of Consumer Affairs, MOCA. Level 2, Head of Customer Service. If your submitted complaint is not resolved to your satisfaction within the resolution period, usually takes 3 days. At Level 1, then you can escalate the unsatisfactory or unresolved complaints to appointed authorities of Groww at Level 2. 1. Head of Customer Service for Stocks, Trading, and Investments. Call the CS head at +918046161210. Send an email to headcustomerservice@groww.in with the ticket number of the previously lodged complaint at Level 1. 2. Grievance Redressal Officer for Loans and Credit, Groww. Call the appointed nodal officer at +918068249213, Monday through Friday, 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Send an email to gcsgrievances@groww.in with the ticket number of the previous complaint. Level 3. Compliance the Principal Nodal Officer, Groww. Billion Brains Garage Ventures Private Limited has appointed a compliance officer for Groww to address the disputes related to unresolved complaints of stock and trading and investment services that come under the regulation of SEBI. For the unresolved complaints related to loans and credit services of Groww, you may escalate the grievance to the appointed Principal Nodal Officer. Must include the following details in your grievance letter or email. Ticket, a reference number of the previous complaint at Level 2. Client or customer ID, if required. Nature of the complaint. Expected relief with the reason for dissatisfaction with the previous response. Attach relevant proof and evidence, if asked by the officials. 1. Compliance Officer, Groww. If your complaint, which you previously escalated at Level 2, is not resolved within the resolution period, you have the option to escalate the matter to the Compliance Officer at. Designation. Compliance Officer, Groww. Phone number. +918061933732. Email. grievances@groww.in. Address. Compliance Officer for Groww, Billion Brains Garage Ventures Private Limited, R. number 11, second floor, 80-foot road, 4th block, S.T. Bed, Koramangala, Bengaluru, 560034, Karnataka. Note: further, you may escalate the disputed case to the designated director for Groww by sending an email to escalation@groww.in or calling at +9 11161195 2. Principal Nodal Officer, Credits or Loans, Groww. Complaints related to credits, loans, and other financial services that are not resolved to your satisfaction at Level 2, escalate to the Principal Nodal Officer at Designation: Principal Nodal Officer, Groww. Phone number: +9 17961734276. Email: gcsnodalofficer@groww.in. Address: Principal Nodal Officer for Credits and Loans, Groww CreditServe Technology Private Limited, Billion Brains Garage Ventures Private Limited, Vaishnavi Tech Park, South Tower, 4th floor. Survey No. 1601 and 1702, Ambalipura Village, Vartha Hobli, Bellandur, Bangalore South, Bangalore 560103, Karnataka. Still not resolved to your satisfaction by Groww. Approach respective regulatory authorities. Regulatory authorities. If you have complaints about investment and securities, brokers, or the trading platform of Groww that are not resolved to your satisfaction within 30 days, then file complaints with regulatory authorities such as SEBI, Market Exchange Boards, and SATA Securities Appellate Tribunal. Click File a complaint to the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, scores. Additionally, to file a complaint against Groww, you can lodge online complaints with NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, for equity shares and currency. MCX, Multi-Commodity Exchange of India Limited, for commodities and metals trading. Contact Central Depository Services, India, Limited, CDSL, and National Securities Depository Limited, NSDL, for complaints related to demand accounts, equity repository, management, ownership, and transfer of shares. Please note, for disputes related to consumer loans, credits, and payments, UPI, bills, etc., you may file a complaint online against GrowPay to the Banking Ombudsman, RBI. Other regulatory authorities, where you can approach for respective financial disputes. For insurance disputes with Groww, complain to the Insurance Ombudsman, IRDAI. For compensation from Groww due to violation of consumer rights, approach the Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC, Consumer Forum. Still not satisfied even after approaching regulatory authorities? You should consult with a legal expert before taking legal action against the company or challenging the decision of the respective authority.